Yeah, Liam's always like, you gotta hold your camera real steady, Mom. And it's like, well, if you let your audience know that you have a disability with your hands.
Yeah.
Like, oh, Chef Sketti can't hold her camera straight. Well, Chef Sketti's been cooking for 45 years, so I don't expect to hold my camera straight. I wish I could. What you doing? You getting your peanuts? Well, come down and get it. You hear her? She's calling everybody else, and they'll be coming.
Oh, I know.
I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get them all lined up on the pole. Yeah, I know. They send out the peanut cry.
Once I was throwing out the thing, did you hear him squawking?
Well, the blue jay comes and sits up on the pole, and that's like,
Blue Jays don't say shit.
he's the first here, and then he calls in the blackbirds, and then the blackbirds all come 20, 30, 40 at a time. But they know when you got the camera out. Come on down. Get your peanuts, guys. Good morning, little friends. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Sketti. I'm just sitting outside in my yard this morning with my husband, Brandon. You want to say hi, Brandon?
Hello.
Mr. Sketti. That's Mr. Sketti there.
How you doing?
He says, how you doing? Thank you for supporting my wife's channel, Mrs. Sketti. Sorry I can't hold my camera very steady. Chef Sketti's got some old hands. So we're gonna have some more coffee, get ready to start our Monday. You have a doctor appointment. I have other appointments today. What are we cooking today? Are we gonna do lasagna?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make lasagna today. They're eating peanuts. I throw peanuts out every morning. Where I live, I'm not allowed to have a bird feeder, which is, I'm not protesting that. Instead, I'll throw peanuts. I do like feeding the birds. They give me something to do in the morning. And they love me too because they come every single day. So that's it, y'all.